In this video, I will show you how to export an image in Photopea with the best quality and so it's exported in the correct format. As you can see, I've currently got this photo which I've made some edits to, which I want to export. I don't want to save it as a PSD, I want to export it as a PNG file. Now to do this, come up to the top left hand corner of Photopea and click onto File, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says Export As. Hover over this, you're going to get some additional options come up, so you can see all the types of file types that you can export this as. As mentioned, I want to export this as a PNG, so I'm going to select that option from the list here. Once you've done that, you're going to get a window open like this where you can give your project a name. So I'm just going to call this one example project, and then of course you can choose the format on the right hand side. There are some additional formats in here as well, but I'm just going to leave it selected to PNG. What you can then do is adjust the width and the height as well, and you can also adjust the quality as well, but of course I would recommend leaving this at 100%. So once you've done that, just click on to save. As you can see, that's going to download that and export that onto your PC, and then what you can do is use your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type downloads into here and open up your downloads folder, and you're going to see the Photopea image. That should be in your downloads folder. You can see it's here saved as a PNG. We can double click to open this on our PC. You can see it's been successfully exported as a PNG file. So that is how to export image in Photopea. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.